Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dynamic Coder. Today we come up with another video of automating using mac.com. So if you are already aware that we have run the playlist that contains a list of mac.com automation with Gemini, with your Gmail, with couple of other assistants as well. So if you haven't followed our page, you are good to go now, and today we start on our new video where we are automating using Gemini. So what we did here is that we created a page. So today we're going to automate our Google Sheet topics and its top 5 SEO recommendation using Gemini AI, and the response will be pasted back to the Google Sheets again. My screen is visible to you. I'll show you the scenario that here are the topics. So if I type the topic, after it will go to the Gemini and the responses will be pasted over here. So this is mac.com dashboard. So mac.com is basically a dashboard that helps you following the workflows, creating, automating the task very easily and effectively. So if you haven't used it, I'll highly recommend you to follow this to learn AI, because this is high time for you guys to invest in mac.com. So you can see on my screen here that mac.com gave me 1000 credit points and very effective for you. So without having a further delay, let's get started. So once you log into mac.com, just sign in. After you sign in, this is the page that comes for you as well. So this is the first page when you click on new scenario. Now first click on Google Sheet. So here we directly found Google Sheet and we just selected that. Once you select Google Sheet, the next step for you is to select watch new rows. Why we are clicking watch new rows? Because the AI will going to read from the daily AI daily assistant Google Sheet. That's the reason we add here as watch row sheet. Now when you click on that, you will find the pop-up. So this is the pop-up we found out. The first thing you want to do is that you have to establish the connection. So we just established the connection with my email address of this particular Google Drive. Now the next step is search method. So we were going via search by path. So it will go path by path and it can able to find out AI daily assistant Google Sheet, and it is under my drive, so I'm not going to touch it. Now spreadsheet ID. So it is asking me for ID and we found out here only at the top /AI daily assist. Now sheet name. The sheet name is sheet 1, because when you go here you found out that it's sheet 1, right? This we have selected. Now no need to touch. The table contains header, rows and headers also we keep it as it is. The limit we should decrease to 1 and click on save. Once you click on save, now it will going to ask you this pop-up that from where we can start. So what we'll do is that we select specific ID and we select ID as 1, so that they start from this particular ID. Now click on save. Correct. So our first Google Sheet has done. Now we add another module. We are adding another module as Gemini because the prompt will going to be read by AI from the Google Sheet. So that's the reason we select here as Google Gemini AI. So the first one. So we're going to select this and we're going to select as generate a response. Now the response has been generated. Now it is asking me for my Gemini AI collection. I click on add and here it is asking me for the keys. So for that you have to go to API key. You have to go to aistudio.google.com and here under API keys you can generate yours, and I have generated mine already, but I can generate again. I'll just click on Gemini and I'll click on create. Okay, let it create. This is the new key that is created just now. I'll just pause the video and I'll copy my API key. Just click here and you can find the API key. I've copied the API key. Now I'll paste it here and I'll click on save. So it is just syncing with Gemini and it is asking me for AI model. So there are free models available. We're going to use a simple executable Gemini 2.5 Flash because we are using free Gemini version as of now. Now the next thing here is we go to messages. So messages, it's user because user is prompting to that Google Sheet. That's the reason we are selecting user. Click on parts. Here the message type should be text. Now it is asking me the text detail. So what I'll do is that I have already generated one text under this, that as a senior SEO specialist with a 10 years of experience in content strategy, analyze the topic and provide me 5 SEO details I need to prioritize to rank it for my topic. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just copy half, this much is required, and I'll paste it here. And here I'll select the topic. So I've selected this topic, and now keep everything as it is. We just going to scroll down, and under this generation we click on text because we are looking for the text output, and keep everything as it is and click on save. We have save, and just click here save as well. Now we need another module, which is, we call it as Google Sheet. Just click here and we found out update the row. Why? Because once the prompt we received from Gemini, we're going to paste it here on Google Sheet. Now I'll add, sign in the connection. Again, we just select our ID, press all continue, and it was going to verify the connection. Now select, so keep everything as it is. Now we select our spreadsheet name as daily AI assistant. Now it is asking me as sheet 1. Now row number, the row number here we're going to paste as, where's the row number? Here is the row number. Keep everything as it is. Now here is the value in the column. So the column here, the SEO password, for that we're going to select here the result. So whatever result we are receiving here will be pasted here, right? Based on our topics, right? Keep this as it is and click on save. Right now this is done from our side and we are done with it. Now we are done with it. The next step here is that if, for example, if you have this particular sheet and you are going to prompt to AI in every 10 minutes or every 15 minutes, you are creating a list. So it's not feasible for you to every time go and click on run, right? So there's an option that allows us to perform it with redundancy as well with a regular interval. So we just click after 15 minutes at regular interval and click on save. Once this is saved, now what we'll do is that we have already updated this sheet as I've added only single topic as AI tool for 5 gaming softwares. Now I'll run one. Scenario is running. You can see here that we received the best AI SEO topic output from Gemini. Let me give you another example as top 5 AI tools for editing the videos for free. So I just enter here. Now I'll go, it will run after 15 minutes, but if I want to do it, I'll just click on run again. So you can see that it is fetching from Google Sheet and it is running in Gemini and it will going to update in the Google Sheet. How this tool works as in so efficiently that we just have to create the workflows and it will going to give us the output in our Excel sheet. So you can see here that it gives me every information here, like so simple, it's so efficient, and it's so time saving.